What up, y'all? Larry Family Unboxing Channel. We are back with a small little package from Don't Eat the Gum. It's been a while since Don't Eat the Gum's been around. They're actually going to have their big boxes out pretty much right now. They are taking orders. So, y'all want to check out Don't Eat the Gum? Just look them up on Facebook. This is a small package with a bunch of random stuff in it. Little stuff. Cards and stuff like that. $10, and that's with shipping. With shipping came out to $3.21, so just say about $6.50. First off, we got a little zombie figure. Something's making noise. We got pretty nice detail actually for that little bitty figure. Come on, focus. Well, this is a little zombie figure. Ride that candle right there. We got this little card. Bloody Disgusting presents World of Death. Death has no borders. Flashback Weekend, Chicago Horror Convention. Next we have Hellboy. I don't know. What the fuck is it, a DVD insert? Next we have a magnet. That's pretty cool. It's a Fangoria magazine cover made into a little magnet, which I will throw over on my magnet door. It's not bad. We got they pretty much made all these cards into magnets by just, okay, pretty cheap. But I guess they are cheap, so. Anyway, we got, what was it, Pumpkinhead. It says cheese. This is from, oh, what the hell is this called? Yeah, I think I got some laying around here. Full packs, unopened. So I'm sure there'll be some in here then. Anyway, they just stuck a magnet on the back of it to make it kind of like a magnet card. We have a sticker, Atomic Cotton. Looks like that's from Mad Balls. It's a pretty cool sticker though. We got another old card, Leaping Louie. I know what these cards are too. This is actually, I think these are all sticker cards. Oh, we got a sticker card from Ghostbusters 2, I believe these are from. Could be wrong. We have this is actually from Ghostbusters 1, but it's not a Ghostbusters card. All right, we have a fat-filled Garbage Pail Kid. That's cool. Another little card, crap card, really. Let me say crap cards. We got the little things that used to come in machines, like for like 50 cents. Oh, cool. This is a tattoo, yeah. We gotta have a Michael Myers tattoo. That is pretty cool. Got another one. And it is a Jason. I might put these on and wear them during Texas Frightmare Weekend. We got another Garbage Pail Kid, Rachel Rodent. We got another little zombie figure. I ain't gonna take him out. Just another little zombie figure. We got a little Kakarocha. What else we get in here? A couple buttons. Freddy. Jaws. We got a little coin, Mario Brothers coin. Ding ding. And then we have packs of cards in here. Oh, hold on. There's another roach up in here. There we go. Throw those down. Okay, we got some cards. Toxic High School. Sweet. Here's the other cover. I actually have a full case of these, but they're cool. Bill and Ted. I have a full case of these too, I think. Tales from the Crypt. These are cool cards right here. I will admit that. These right here. Tales from the Crypt. Oh, and the last one. My favorite cards of all time when I was a kid. I actually thought about buying a whole case of these, even though you can get it. Hell, you can buy the set for cheap. But Dinosaurs Attack, 1988. These were my favorite cards as a kid. Loved these. I'm gonna have to open this one just to relive some memories. I'm gonna end up buying a whole case or the whole set, complete set already put together. You can get it for $10, but I don't have it yet, so that's a cool way to start. Anyway, Don't Eat the Gum. Check them out on Facebook. Like, comment, subscribe. Deuces. Okay, I wanted to show y'all my Dinosaurs Attacks cards. Got a little sticker. Brontosaurus. These were the cards I loved as a kid. Dinosaur. This is the dinosaurs. If you put them all together, they tell a story. This is towards the end of the story when the dinosaurs are dying, getting ripped apart, and sent to another time. Here's one. London in flames. Attacking. It's pretty much the dinosaurs. It's called Dinosaurs Attack. The dinosaurs attack and they're killing everyone. Picnic of Peril. These cards were cool as shit when I was about 5 years old. You Can't Let Them Win. That's when she's trying to send them back to another time. Oh, here you go for the comics. Comic nerds. Comics Con. Catastrophe. Sweet. See, on the back of the card, it actually tells a little story. That piece of the story. Those are cool. Anyway, y'all.